How often do we pause to consider the importance of disaster preparedness in schools? It's a question that carries profound implications for the safety and well-being of our children, educators, and communities at large. Enter Seeds India, a think tank established in 1994 with a mission to protect the lives and livelihoods of those exposed to disasters. Seeds had a vision: a personalized school safety program, a collaborative platform for engineers, architects, students, and teachers to discuss, evaluate, and improve disaster preparedness. However, they faced a significant challenge. They needed a platform to facilitate communication between schools, a place to share updates, track progress, and schedule events, a place where metrics of school safety could be analyzed, compared, and improved. This is where Blackcoffer comes into the picture. With their global team of experts and a proven track record of delivering powerful insights and solutions, Blackcoffer was the ideal partner to bring Seeds' vision to life. Blackcoffer worked closely with Seeds to create a sophisticated website, a hub of information and collaboration. Public pages were designed to share updates, project statuses, and upcoming events, while private, login-protected pages enabled members to view a dashboard of progress, compare safety scores, and discuss ways to elevate these metrics. The result? A real-time safety rating barometer, a tool that empowers school management to gauge their performance in various safety measures, a platform that stimulates discussions between schools and program managers, fostering faster ideation and more efficient problem-solving. Importantly, it's a tool that facilitates transparency. Schools can now communicate their activities, safety scores, and improvements to parents, children, and program managers. Stakeholders can compare school performance across regions, states, and countries, driving a competitive spirit of continuous improvement for the safety of our children. This innovative solution was brought to life using technologies such as PHP, JavaScript, CSS, HTML, MySQL, and CMS WordPress. Descriptive analytics, scoring models, forecasting, and time series models were employed to deliver a comprehensive, user-friendly, and impactful platform. In a world where disaster preparedness is increasingly critical, Blackcoffer's solution for Seeds is more than just a website. It's a beacon of safety, an engine of collaboration, and a testament to the power of technology to protect and improve lives. If your organization is facing similar challenges, or if you're keen to explore how Blackcoffer's expertise could benefit your mission, don't hesitate. Visit the Blackcoffer website or reach out to their team directly. The future is unpredictable, but with Blackcoffer, you can be prepared.